HOOKER videos hate this. This is bad.
What do you mean?
Bad purpose.
Arts and crafts with Uncle Dave.
American muscle, man. There ain't no room in here for metric shit.
That was cylinder 2. Or wait a minute, we're just gonna say that's 2. We don't know what cylinder that is.
There they go. Well, let's just start 1, 2, 3, 4, back and forth. Here's the firing cylinder, and you know, for Ford, I just don't know anymore.
Currently, we have all the spark plug wires off. See the sparkulators down there. The fire making it happeners. The old lightning rods. Got Chris marking each one of these wires. Yeah, so I'm, I don't know, 7 beers in. Chris has got to be close to that, if not more. When it comes to putting it back together, hopefully we know what we're doing.
What?
Anyways, this project, we're putting the header back on. We have it on the driver's side. What a beaut! It's a wacky motor. She don't run right unless you put her all the way in the ketchup. Just redline the shit out of it.
Oh, come on, HOOKER videos hate this. This is bad.
What do you mean?
Bad purpose.
Arts and crafts with Uncle Dave.
This is how you used to do it back in the day.
No, I don't think this was available back in the day.
Yeah, it was.
No, absolutely fucking not.
Hey, one step at a time. At least we're getting the header on there finally. It's been quite a long time since we did an update on Frank-150. The current shenanigans is we got Dave up there throwing in some bolts in this header. Those are Dave's Corona sticks.
I told you I used to put these on by myself back when I was a kid.
And geez, here comes the bragging. Get them all tightened down and wait overnight, and we'll fire her up in the morning and see if she sprays a little bit of fire.
I'll just squish into place and be fine.
Right, quick update. We've got the header on. Only 7 bolts, but hey, it's mint. We gotta let this sit overnight, and then we can fire it up tomorrow. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Here we are the next day. The goop has had enough time to dry. Time to fire it up, make sure we don't have any leaks around the head.
Come home, baby.
She's alive! Alive!
Smoking.
I know Dave's motor right there.